One of the best things that you can do when doing a database search is to know which database to use for the search that you need to do. A really easy way to do that is just to scroll through the list of databases and choose the one that sounds like it will work for your topic. So I'm going to scroll down through the list of databases, and I can see that there's some issues, student resources, but right here, global issues. That one right there jumps out at me. So I'm going to click on that one to access. All of our databases are accessed exactly the same way using 03110 for the username and password. If it's different than that, you can see right on our database page, I've listed what the difference is. If it's not listed, it's 03110 for both. So the benefit of doing a database search and using a database for your research is that you're going to have credible and reliable resources, fine-tuned with the citation. I want to show you two different things in this particular database. I prefer an advanced search. This is going to fine-tune my search results and narrow it down so I don't have millions to look through, which can be overwhelming. So the other thing that I want to do is I want to start typing and I want to see what comes up. I want to look up the Rwandan genocide, and I know that. So I start typing Rwanda, and I can see right here through the populated list that the database is going to give me that these topics are already in the database. I'm going to choose Rwandan genocide. Now notice this. Do you see how it's in quotations? This is going to keep that search term together in the article. If it was separate with no quotations, the database would look up everything that had the word Rwandan in it and everything that had the word genocide in it and everything that had the word Rwandan genocide. This is what Google does and makes your search results sometimes really, really gigantic and hard to sift through. This is going to help narrow that search. I'm going to keep it a keyword search. If I wanted to be really specific, I could look for that in the title or specifically in the document or other ways too. But I just want a simple keyword search with that phrase. I'm going to hit search. And this is where you now want to narrow down your sources even more. Are you looking for an image? Do you want a news article? Do you want a scholarly research article? Are you looking for a story about a person? Do you need a primary source? You can narrow down your results really specifically in the databases that helps you find what you want faster. So I don't know anything about the Rwandan genocide. I'm just learning about it. So I want a basic reference article. I'm going to click on reference. There's 34 articles. That's a really manageable number. So now I'm going to sift through these and I'm going to choose one that I want to open up and look at in a little bit more detail. I can see right here that this is 3,000 words. This is 1,400 words. This is almost 7,000 words. So you can look really quickly and see how big of an article that you're looking at. If you want a lot of information that goes through the whole thing, well, I'm going to choose this 7,000 word article. I'm going to click on it. Now I can read the whole thing. I can see on the right-hand side, it's summarized. So if I want to go to a very particular instance or topic, I can sift through the entire article there. I can download it, print it, email it to myself, add it to my drive, listen to it, and then you can really easily cite it too. So if I switch my view all the way down to the bottom, you can see There's more information that I can look up. It gives me website links that I can go to about this particular topic that have been vetted as credible and reliable. I can copy and paste the citation. And if I want more articles like it, I can click the more like this link. So that, in a nutshell, is using all of the Gale databases. And the one that I use for this particular search is Gale in Context Global Issues.